In previous case, we have been edited some of the basic information. When you come back to your page and about section, okay, you will be looking like this. Everything is updated. We can give the story also here. We can add a story. Story is nothing but the recent activity, something you have been launched, or some of the product you have been taken up, or some of the event you organized. These stories you can share, okay, by using this particular section in about. We have to go to tell people about your business. Now it is asking to add a photo here. You can add a photo whichever you have been loaded, okay, that photo you can add. And you can give a title for your story, okay. Then you can write your story here. The date and time will be stamped. Then you can start writing a story about your page. You can write about what happened, what are the things you have been done, those things, and you can say publish. Okay, so that what will happen, this particular story will be appear on your page, as well as the on a right corner of the here it will be given. Okay, so it will be give the nice appearance when someone using your page. This is the one thing. The second thing, when someone visit your page, when someone visit your page, they can like your page, follow, or share. Again, if someone click on this particular button here, you can add a button. If someone click on that particular button, you would like to take to your website or your WordPress, okay, like this you would like to take forward, then you can go to add buttons here, add button. Now it is asking that which type of the button you would like to add. Make a booking with you, like this buttons, okay, book now or get quote, okay. Based on your business time, it will be adding up buttons. For example, if it is an event related page, then you can say book now or get quote, okay. If you like to contact back, okay, if you like to get a WhatsApp message from them, or they can directly WhatsApp, or they can directly call, or they can send an email or message or contact us page or sign up form, like this you can change. And about your business, okay, learn about your business, like watch a video or learn more option you can use, or shop with us, like shopping cards you can share, okay. You can give any type of the button. For example, we say, for example, download the app. You are running an app also, then what you can do, you can say use our app, okay. And what we can do, we can use that one, okay. Then for example, I will say here contact, or we'll say learn more. I would like to take them to my website, so learn more. Next, the website link I need to give, okay. Save. Okay, it has been configured now, okay. Then finish. Now you can see, now it will become a learn more. You can test the button. Test button option is that it will directly take it to a your website, right? Directly taken it to a your website. Someone click on this particular button. If you like to edit that particular button, again, edit button is there. If you like to delete, you can delete the button. This is the one option where you can optimize your thing. And second thing here, for example, you have been updated a cover photo. If you like to give some description to the your cover photo, click on that cover photo, and here you have to write some comments, okay. And description, add a description for your photo, so that someone searching for any of the content, if it is matching, your photo will be shown in a Google also. So you can take a photo and description. For example, if you have been visited anywhere, you can write a location also here. Okay, like this we can add a photo. Okay, add a description to your photo. Similarly, you can add a description to your profile picture also. Select that profile picture and add a description. Okay, like this we can add a description to the any photo you have been used. Okay, that is the one thing. Again, if you go to a settings, we need to go to settings. If you like to change the templates and tabs, what you mean by templates and tabs? Nothing but on a left hand side in a page, when you go to page, on a left hand side we have a home, events, review. Like this we have a tabs, right? These tabs you would like to reorganize. Okay, after home page I would like to get a about us, then reviews, last events, post bit should be first, videos should be next. Like this I would like to reorganize. Then we'll go to settings. Here templates and tabs, select that one. Okay, it will load the different templates we already have. Okay, for example, after home you would like to get a about us, so we have been taken about us, click and drag. Okay, then I would like to get a reviews, like someone review my page, it will be shown. And review, if you like to set, we can select that one, setting, it is turn on. If you like to turn on, you can turn on, it is turn on the review. Okay, save. Then events, for example, after that you would like to show your events you have been posted, then you would like to get a post before videos and events. You, which one you are using frequently, post or event, that one which we need to keep it on a top. And again we need to, I don't want this particular, I would like to add a, after post I would like to add a products. Then what we can do, add a tab here. You can create a tab like a services, shop, live, like this. Services I would like to show, so add a tab called as a services. If you like to add a tab live, you can add it here. Shop, add it here. Okay, like this we can add it. For example, services we added, and it should be on a here. And later you can change the settings. If you like to turn off, you can turn off. Then save. For example, post, event, videos, photos, offers, community I would like to turn off. Settings I will say, this one you will not be able to turn off because community tab. Then services, like this we can rearrange the all the tabs. We can rearrange the all the tabs here using a settings, tabs and templates and tabs. Now you can observe, when you go to page, your page will be completely reorganized. After home tab, about us. Okay, about us is here. Then you are getting a review. Okay, someone if reviewed your post, it will be shown here. And then see more, services, posts, everything is there here. So we can reorganize the tab by using a settings and that particular thing. Okay,